SR5000 AC Pro Operation Tutorial. Welcome to the operation tutorial of SR5000 AC Pro. Prepare special tools in advance and install and operate in a site complying with safety specifications. Required tools: utility knife, insulating gloves, screwdriver, marker, electric drill, 8mm drill bit. Installation requirements: first, keep the site clean, dry, and well ventilated. Avoid direct sunlight, rain immersion, and snow coverage. Second, keep away from flammable, explosive, and corrosive substances, as well as strong electromagnetic fields. Third, place the device out of reach of children and pets. Continuous on-site supervision is required if used near children. Fourth, for wall-mounted installation, prioritize solid brick or concrete structures to meet load-bearing requirements. Fifth, install the device vertically. Tilting, horizontal placement, upside down, and side mounting are strictly prohibited. Unboxing overview. Open the package. Take out foam padding and accessory box. Check the packing list. Take out the device after confirming complete and undamaged accessories. Product appearance. Side view of the product. Installation methods. First, this device supports floor standing and wall-mounted installation for flexible on-site selection. Second, before drilling, confirm no water pipes or wires are buried in the wall to eliminate safety hazards. 1. Floor standing installation. Use the included mounting lugs to fasten the device to the wall for anti-toppling. Fix lugs to reserved screw holes on both sides and tighten screws. Move the device against the wall and mark lug mounting holes. Drill at marked positions and fit expansion screws. Paste anti-slip pads on the designated bottom area of the device. Align lug holes with expansion screws and fasten to finish installation. 2. Wall-mounted installation. Fix lugs to reserved screw holes on both sides and tighten screws. Place the wall bracket horizontally on the wall, level the holes and mark positions with a marker. Drill at marked spots, fit expansion bolts, and secure the bracket firmly. Paste anti-slip pads on the designated bottom area. Align SR5000 AC Pro with the bracket and lock in place to complete wall mounting. Wall-mounted display. Distribution box wiring and settings. SR5000 AC Pro is compatible with P1 smart meter or CT smart meter as an option. Select the corresponding meter reader according to your meter type before installation. Cut off the main power of the distribution box and wear insulating protective gear during wiring. Install an overcurrent circuit breaker between the device and power grid, and complete standard grounding, grid-tied and off-grid wiring. P1 smart meter installation. P1 meter standard accessories. Meter reader, Wi-Fi rod antenna, user manual. Turn off the mains circuit breaker. Connect the Wi-Fi antenna plug to the corresponding port of the meter reader. Insert the registered jack of meter reader communication cable into the P1 port of the P1 meter. Place the antenna outside the distribution box for stable signal. Switch on the mains breaker and close the meter box. CT smart meter installation. CT meter standard accessories. 3-phase meter reader. 2 sets of CTS. Antenna. User manual. Install the meter reader antenna. Connect CTS to the reader. Wire power cables to L1 and N ports of the reader. Meter reader installation completed. Connect CT2 if microinverter input is required. Adjust clips. To fix the CT meter inside the meter box, open CT locks, align CT arrow with incoming current direction. Clamp CTS on live wires and fasten locks. Connect L1 to incoming live wire and N to neutral wire. Place the antenna outside the distribution box for stable signal. Switch on the mains breaker and close the meter box. Connect CT2 if microinverter input is required. Keep CT arrows consistent with current direction. Switch on the mains breaker and close the meter box. Grid tied and PV wiring. 1. Grid tied wiring. Take out the grid tied wiring harness. Align and lock the harness with the device's grid tied port. Plug the AC power cord into a grounded socket to connect to the local power grid. Effect display. 2. PV microinverter wiring. This device is compatible with all types of PV systems. Realize AC coupling via wall sockets to store surplus power from microinverters. The output of grid-tied inverters can be directly connected to the SR5000 AC Pro's off-grid output port. Either way, PV power supplies household loads first, with surplus power automatically charged into batteries. App download and network configuration. Scan the QR code in the manual to download the corresponding app, or search Amberrock in app stores for download. Register and log in for first use. Existing users can log in directly with account and password. To meet global users' needs, the app supports simplified Chinese, German, English, French, Dutch, Italian, and other languages. Switch languages as needed for users in different regions. Tap the plus icon on the home page to enter the scene adding page. Fill in scene information as prompted, household energy storage as default. Tap Save to add the scene successfully. Tap the upper right plus icon to enter the adding interface. Select the auto-detected serial number, or scan the Wi-Fi module SNIN code, or enter the SN manually. Select or input Wi-Fi name and password for network connection. Add all devices and readers to the device list. On the homepage, select Smart Green Power Plan or Custom Mode. When enabled, it auto-generates daily household power plans based on electricity, tariffs, and weather data. Users may enable zero feed-in and anti-reflux functions. AI regulation dynamically optimizes charge and discharge strategies per local grid conditions. To realize low-cost charging, high-price discharging, and maximum PV utilization. In custom mode, multiple non-overlapping time periods can be configured, with charging or feed-in modes, and adjustable power for each period. This mode is disabled by default and requires manual activation.